Drip versus AWeber, which is better for managing email sequences? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. If you're in the market for a powerful email marketing platform to help you grow your business, you've likely come across these two heavyweights. But which one truly delivers when it comes to managing email sequences? Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal a better alternative that you might want to consider. Let's kick things off with Drip. It's built specifically for e-commerce businesses and offers a robust set of tools for managing email sequences. One of the main advantages of Drip is its automation capabilities. You can create very sophisticated, multi-step email campaigns that trigger based on user actions. That's perfect for businesses looking to nurture leads and build customer loyalty over time. It also has excellent segmentation features that let you target specific groups of users, which is essential for a high ROI. But as with anything, there are some drawbacks. Drip has a bit of a learning curve. If you're new to email marketing or not familiar with advanced automation, it can feel overwhelming at first. Plus, the pricing can be a bit steep, especially if you're just starting out. Next thing, AWeber. AWeber is one of the older players in the game and has been around for years. It's known for being beginner-friendly and intuitive. One of the biggest draws of AWeber is its ease of use. Setting up email sequences is pretty simple, and they offer a lot of pre-designed templates to get you started quickly. Plus, the customer support is often praised, which is a huge win if you run into any issues. But AWeber isn't perfect. While it has basic automation, it's not as advanced or as customizable as Drip's. If you're looking to create very detailed email sequences with complex triggers, you might find AWeber lacking. The drag-and-drop builder is great for simple tasks, but the lack of advanced features can hold you back as your business scales. Now, the fourth thing we need to touch on is integrations. Drip has a lot of integrations, especially with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce. If you're in e-commerce, this is a huge benefit, as you can easily sync customer data and create personalized email flows. AWeber also offers integrations, but they don't have the same level of depth as Drip. For example, if you're an e-commerce business, you might find AWeber's integration with Shopify to be less seamless compared to Drip. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. Drip's pricing is based on the number of subscribers, which can get expensive once your list grows. AWeber, on the other hand, offers more affordable pricing for smaller lists, but once you scale up, you'll find that the pricing starts to get pretty close to Drip's. So, both platforms can be pricey depending on your subscriber count. In terms of support, AWeber does have a slight edge, especially for beginners. Their support team is available 24/7 by chat, email, and phone, which is a nice touch. Drip offers support primarily through email and chat, but many users find their response times can be a bit slow at times. Finally, both Drip and AWeber are solid options, but if you're looking for a more specialized platform for managing email sequences, there's one more thing I need to mention. After trying both Drip and AWeber myself, I found that there's a better alternative out there. If you want a platform that offers more advanced automation, better e-commerce integration, and an easier learning curve, you might want to check out the link in the description. The software I'm recommending offers a free trial and exclusive benefits that you can only access through our link. It's hands down one of the best solutions for managing email sequences, and I truly think you'll be impressed with what it can do for your business. So, check out the free trial using the first link in the description and get started with a better email marketing solution today.